Hello viewers, welcome to my channel The Pirate Commander. Today's video is really special for the statistician who is working for the data science. Yes, I'm talking about the R program. Today I'm going to show you that how you can download and install R program in your computer in Windows 10. Before starting the video, if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification because I'm creating this type of video every single week. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
First of all, go to your browser and write down download R. Click on the first link and just download R 4.0.3 from Windows. Just click on it and just download the exe file. Scroll for the download. After downloading, minimize your browser. That is the exe file. So simply double click on the exe file and run. Okay. Next. Customer setup. Separated windows. Created it from scratch. It takes few seconds to install it. So wait for it. Finish it. Then double click on the R program. That's your software.
Hope this video is helpful for you. So please comment down below whatever video you want to watch next time. And if you are not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe and hit the bell notification to get more videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.